Hi, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll be talking to you about hand separation. That is, separating your hands, playing different things on the left hand and the right hand. The left hand gives the rhythm, so it gives something like this. For instance, in Makosa praises, it gives the rhythm like this. So that's the rhythm. That's what the left hand does. It gives the rhythm. Remember this. If this is our kick, if this is the way the kick is going, the rhythm of the left hand does not go with the kick. Does not go like this. No, it doesn't go like that. It goes after the kick, so it goes like this. The next step is to actually play melody on the right hand, a melody that doesn't actually follow the chord progression. Remember, I showed you okay, so it will sound like this. Now, before you start this piano practice, what you need to do is to learn the melody on the right hand first. Try as much as possible to memorize the melody with your eyes closed. Practice the melody on the right hand alone. Know that they shouldn't let you go. They should use their strength to hold your hand so that you won't go out of that rhythm. Then let them continuously play that rhythm. Just focus on only the C, just like this. You see, I'm not moving to the other chords, I'm just in the C. So you focus your mind on the melody alone and make sure you play the correct melody on your right hand. Then after practicing like that for a very long time with that person, you tell the person to leave your hand. At that point, you have registered some movements in your mind. You've registered that particular rhythm in your mind. Then you try to play it yourself.